Hi, this is Jan with IQRF. The purpose of this tutorial is to introduce basic IQRF development tools which manufacturers can use for the pilot project development. We will also show how to test the range of the IQRF network. The basic development set is the DS Start development set. The set contains CK-USB programmer and debugger, which is used for initial configuration and programming of IQRF transceivers using IQRF IDE application, which will be described more in detail in the next video. The USB port is used for connection to a computer using the micro USB cable, which is also included in the set. The set contains also two DK-eval evaluation boards equipped with battery. These portable boards are intended to charge IQRF transceivers. The USB connector is intended just for accumulator charging, but not for USB connectivity. You will find there 3 IQRF transceivers, which you can program in the CK-USB programmer or host them in DK-eval portable boards to test the network. On the USB flash drive, you will find the basic software and documentation, which will be described more in detail in the next video. The DS-DPA development set is double-sized DS Start set sold with a lower price than 2 DS Start sets. You can use this set for building and testing larger networks. The DS IoT set is intended to design and test the basic sensoric network. The set includes a basic sensoric and relay kit that are standardized on IQRF interoperability. Communication with these kits and similar professional sensors and binary outputs is done using the same standardized commands that you can try on this basic IoT IQRF development kit. There is also the adapter for connecting IQRF transceivers to the Raspberry Pi or similar devices. In the IQRF transceiver, there is a small program E09 link uploaded from the manufacturer, which makes it easy to test the range of the wireless signal in your area. You can upload this program into transceivers at any time later. Transceivers work on channel 52, which can be changed in configuration. You may want to change the channel in a situation when the channel 52 has been disturbed. Changing settings using the IQRF IDE application will be shown in the other video. Just insert 2 IQRF transceivers into the DK-eval kits and turn on the jumper. This program, applied in 2 devices perpetually, transmits and attempts to receive RF packets. Green LED indicates transmitting, and the red LED indicates every successfully received. Thus, the red LED flashing indicates the RF connection. In the next video, the IQRF startup package and the IQRF IDE will be introduced in more detail. To learn more about the technology, you can browse the IQRF.org or watch other IQRF videos, or find already existing projects on the IQRFalliance.org. Make your products wireless. It's simple.